Well, we have been going through the basics of 6 days, where a basic understanding will is going on. So, validating a computerized system is having a specific sequence that we have been discussing. We will plan for it to the stage of requirements, to the stage of validation, to the stage of release to for real time usage. So all these stages we are going to see practically here. Let's say I am saying that the requirements phase. So we require an application in our organization. The importance we discussed, the requirement we discussed, the difference we discussed. If we want an application, we have certain requirements. So we should prepare a document and share that document to the vendor who is making the application. So it should have a list of requirements. Conventionally, we have been naming it as user requirement specification. So preparing a user requirement specification. What may be the contents of a user requirement specification? So for that, we need to take an example application as our session, our training is planned as a practical hands-on basis training. Yesterday, we have taken the application and we started getting acquainted with that applications. Things like what are the different terminology we are using. So with from that, we can say that there should be some 7 8 users. One user should be an initiator, and another user should be initiator department HOD, and the next user will be the quality assurance reviewer. He will decide the cross functional requirements of that particular SOP, and he will assign that cross functional personnel from different departments. Like this, these are all the requirements of the flow, and other security requirements will be there. User profile creation requirements will be there. Security profile settings will be there. How it should appear, the color, logos, authenticity, the copyrights, all the requirements we have to be. So once you start practically preparing user requirement specification, actually as this is a session of simply 6 days only, we'll go for the outlines of your user requirement specification. So in that your user requirement specification, you people are going to see a document executing for a user requirement specification. So as you are working on the application, you are understanding different flows and menus available in that application. You can be able to raise your questions. You can be able to put your inputs while preparing that user requirement specification after giving the basic idea on the user requirement specification document. So what we are planning yesterday, so first 1 2 days of this entire 6 days session, yeah, it is ideal to plan the acquaintance on the application from yesterday onwards. I'm saying that. So yesterday I have shown you the flow of the application from the initiator to the end stage. I have shown you the complete made effective document with all the four signatures. So and even I shared the some exemplary documents to attach into that application with proper formatting and all. And even I shared you the URL of the application, and I shared you the uh, login credentials of multiple users in that flow. Even I have shown you the flow chart also from the initiator to the document management system manager. So today, whoever having a PC, laptop or desktop can log into the application voluntarily. They can present. I'm allowing you to present your screens. So anybody, any one of you can present your screens and start from the initiation stage to the end stage. So with today we'll do that. The acquaintance from your side also will come. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll start with the first deliverable of the computer system validation. So um, based on yesterday's feedback, and as I have given more time to make you all get acquainted with the system. Yeah, Praveen, sure. Thank you so much for coming voluntarily. You please display your screen and log into this, log in as per the credentials I shared to you. Thank you. So Praveen is going to display you um, in the WhatsApp group. You people can discuss among yourself. I will be the initiator. I will be the cross-functional. As currently we have some 10 members, including myself. So yeah, whoever coming with the mobile phone, it's not possible with them. That's okay. Praveen will do it for today. If anybody else are interested, they can do the another flow. They can be another user out of that 8 9 users credentials, whatever I had shared you yesterday. So you people can display your screen and just go through the flow and observe. You can ask your questions, observe what are the menus are there, what are the requirements are there, what are the lacunas you found in that application. All the things you can mention in our this chat box or WhatsApp group, or you can directly tell over here. So meanwhile, when you are presenting that, as per the yesterday's feedback, I have not mentioned a little CSV topics training is also required. Theoretical training is also required, as mostly we are going with the practicalities of understanding the preparation of the deliverables. So I'll simply I want to discuss a few things of this particular computer system validation. My discussion will go on parallelly. Whoever presenting the screen, thank you, Praveen. Who are the presenting the screen, they'll present, and the remaining all will observe what he is doing and what are the requirements of a computerized system. All these things you observe, you and so later on while preparing the documents, it will be helpful to you. At that moment, you will definitely come to the requirement why I have insisted you all to get that acquaintance with the application. So be hands on, all of you, with the application. Just remember the terminologies, remember the menus, sub menus, and all. Okay. So it is designed uniquely, complying all the regulatory requirements. So understanding this will give you a very clear concept of a computer system, computerized system validation. Let's begin. Yeah, Praveen,
Yes,
you
sir. May I
can.
log in with the SOP initiator login, sir?
Yes, exactly. That is the first user. So login, and I think you might have saved the documents I shared you, the Word files. You browse them, you keep them in your system, and you have to browse them to upload into the system.
Okay, sir.
One is SOB, one is format, one is annexer.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Then so the basics of computerized validation, computerized system validation will start now. Mr. Praveen, you please go with the flow. Wherever you found any difficulty, please call me. I'll come there and I'll
Okay, sir.
explain the thing to all our trainees.
Okay, okay.
So let's start with the definition of computer system validation. Um, am I naming it properly? Computer system validation. Absolutely wrong. Not at all standard.
Computerized system validation.
Yes, it is computerized system validation. Why? So, computer system validation means simply you're validating a computer system. The computerized system is something, the computer is simply a device and it is connected with another device. Say, for example, our application will be can be known as a device or in practical some with some other device, and a skilled person or a learned person, a trained person who is having knowledge, who have got the certain levels of training to handle that computer system, and that application or the other computer system which is connected to the computer. Computing means it's simply something like a calculator, giving an input and get taking an output of that particular mathematical, logical. So this entire combination of that person who is giving inputs with a proper skill and the computer system and the connected computerized system, all this is called a computerized system. So now we are validating that system. So perfect way is computerized system. Yesterday I was telling you it's a risk-based document process, preparation of an evidence document should be able to the system whatever we are validating, we are using it in a regulated environments. So regulated environments we are using means it should be validated in such a way that it should authenticate that the purpose for which it is made, it works in the same way as like same our old previous paper based activity. So again, coming to those words, what is that? Why sometimes we use the word verification, sometimes we say validation. The difference. So simply when we are building the system, our application simply. Let's say our RQP is SOP generating application is there. If we are building it, simply we are building it appropriately or not. If we check that, that is known as the verification. If we feel that if we are building that system exactly intended, if we are building a right system, it will be useful for the intended purpose. That will be the validation. See, it is understand the difference, the depth, the requirement. So intended purpose is targeted in validation. Verification means simply whether it is as per the requirement or not. See, is this validation is required? When I'm
Yes,
introducing you about the computerized system validation, what is happening in the real world with respect to computerized system validation? Recently, we are seeing no there is an FDA warning letter in China. Not recent, it was in 2022 around. FDA inspectors found that company failed to validate the software controlling manufacturing equipment. Whatever the software they're controlling, the manufacturing equipment, the software linked with that manufacturer equipment is not validated properly. Simply warning letter issued, products are considered as adulterated, and it will be a ban to US. Once it is banned by FDA, we know the consequences. Another warning letter, Hospira, data integrity and unvalidated systems. Simply FDA cited multiple locations of Hospira. Oh, currently it is Pfizer, no? Yeah. You are using an unvalidated software to manage laboratory data. Simply you have the ability to delete, to overwrite the data without performing any audit trials. There is no role based access. All of these will be the observations. So once you understand the requirements, the same things will validate, will test during our validation. Same questions you will get once you go to any software organization. The strengths we have is we are from pharma background. We have worked for so many years under so many regulatory controls, and we are the end users of a particular pharmacy related applications. So our knowledge will be in the top. But the remaining questions what they will ask, that's also we'll discuss today. What kind of questions you may get in tech industry, what they'll ask you, and after joining there, what is going to be your work. All these things I'll just outline you for today. Yeah, Mr. Praveen, is that going on smoothly? Yeah, you are uploading the index.
Sir, I just saved all the documents to my file
Yes,
manager, sir. I am
yes,
going
and
to
then you can pick from there.
upload here. Sir, here first we have ESV for Excel sheet validation and
No, no,
LIMS for.
there are different applications RQB is providing. Here we are looking at document management system only. Our flow is SOP generation. No, it comes
Yes, sir.
under document management system.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. It's a yeah, right. You're true. Go to the QA life cycle.
QLF cycle, okay.
I'll show you. It is QA 001. QALC, the last one,
Last one, okay.
last one in this table.
Okay, sir.
QALC 0001. Yeah.
May I submit, sir?
Yes, please. You can note down the life cycle number. You had to go to that life cycle only every time. Whenever you log into some other user also, you have to go to these are the dashboards. When number of documents are generated using the application, dashboards will be helpful as we have the trending process now. So go to home. I'll direct you. Go to that standard operating. Click on that. Go to DMS. Yeah. SOP. Yeah. Select that last one. QA 00. You please note. You can note down the life cycle into which you are going. Yeah. I copied there somewhere as in the very initiating stage here. So this is the life cycle using which you are generating an SOP. So all the personal falling in the flow should go through this life cycle only. That's why I made you to save it. You please submit. You selected, you clicked on the radio button. All this terminology, radio button. Click on that radio button and submit. This output should come. A screen opened. It opened the yeah. Please, that is beside the home standard operating procedure on the menu bar.
Yes, sir.
Click on the standard operating. Yes, you are going to initiate. So initiate. So how the document should be drafted. So you're selecting now all those things you have to draft into words when you are preparing an OQ document. Yes. You have to fill here, not there, not there, not there, not there, backspace. Yeah. Document name you have not given.
Yes, sir.
Document name. Yeah. Something like SOP and SOP. Procedure or simply very good. This is the main document, right?
So yeah,
What you have attached right now is a main document.
SOP. Yes,
So
sir.
after clicking add row only, it will be uploaded to system. Please click on add row.
Okay. Yes, sir. It is added.
Okay, let's see. We are going to add only the SOP today. Or you wanted to add some attachments also. You can
Yes,
add
sir.
if
Header
you
and
want.
footer.
Yeah, if you want to attach, I write something like format. What is that header and footer?
Actually, total three formats you provided, sir. First one is the index one, and second one is SOP, and third one is header and footer. In the SOP, we are going to upload.
No, no, no. What I have shared you are one is SOP
Yes, sir.
and the other one is there is a format,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
something like numbering system, and
Yes, sir.
another one is an annexer, which is an index of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
SOPs.
Yes,
So
yes.
you are attaching a format now. Simply write like something like format. Okay, if it is
Okay.
a format, you write so something like format. And document type is will be F.
Yeah.
Upload that format. Upload. Choose file.
Yes, sir.
Yes, F will be there in the numbering system. Okay, you named it as index. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you named them differently, na? No problem. You select other than SOP. You select any.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can select because format and annexer in the same methodology, same alignments will be there. Yes, you can add another document that what I shared you and proceed. Please call me up if required.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We have seen in Ranbaxy got some observations on this. Critical lab data was generated is again unvalidated computer systems, unauthorized and unrecorded testing procedures, manipulation of electronic records. MHRA findings are there. Sun Pharma got the warning letter in 2020. Even taking why the maintenance of that validated state is also important here. See, we have seen some product recalls, regulatory penalties, patient safety issues, loss of business reputation, delayed product launch. So many things happened if you don't maintain them properly. Something like due to faulty automation of data and or data corruption. RFDA, MHRA, EMA issue warning letters, bans, uncontrolled system errors can impact the quality, right? Trust, credibility between the partners, regulators damaged.
Sir, I have uploaded all three documents you have shared here in our group.
Yeah, you please give some comments. It is in something like SOP is initiated under the comments. That attachment field is also there. Whatever, if any additional guidance or any change control, anything you want to attach, you can attach there. You give
Okay,
some
okay.
comments like initiated, SOP initiated, something like that.
Okay, sir. Uh, Next, I need to submit this, right? May I need to save it or else save it for re-verification, sir?
Yeah, it is to submit. You have to submit. And you wanted to move to the next stage now. You want to route to the successor. So it should be submitted. If you save it, it will go back to the update stage.
Got you, sir.
So from there you can edit it.
Sir, so now, as I submitted the SOP,
Yes.
is it will available in pending one or else in completed
You
report?
have you seen any confirmation message?
Yes, sir. The SOP got uploaded. I got
Yeah.
that.
So
Yes, sir.
which means you have submitted it, it moved to the next stage. And the next
Yeah.
stage is department reviewer.
Yes. Okay.
Anybody else logged in, they can log into the department reviewer. Yeah, you please log in, Mr. Venkatesh. Let Mr. Venkatesh log in.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay. Do I need to stop sharing
You,
my screen, sir?
yeah, you stop presenting. He will present the screen.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And please mute yourself. I'll continue the session.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, so we are seeing the requirements, all the regulatory environment, warning letters, the industry real-time examples.
Is it my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
You logged in using the initiator department head. You are the head here. So DMS, you have to select the main menu, the sub menu. Yeah, it's the main menu here. I'm sorry. DMS. Yes. Then SOP. SOP. Yeah. You are the department QA. Life cycle. What is the life cycle number? Yeah, Mr. Praveen, tell me what is the life cycle you went in? QALC 0001. One, two, three, four. Fifth one. Fifth one, sir.
Yes, sir. QLC 0001. Sorry.
Yes.
Unmute. I have
So
unmuted.
yeah. If he went into that life cycle only, you all fall in one line. Yes. Submit. Thank you, sir. You're having any difficult? Yeah. So now on the menu bar, standard operating procedure. Yes. Department reviewer. Yeah.
That is
The one
146.
146. Is that right,
Uh,
Praveen?
yes,
One
yes.
one
Yes,
forty
sir. Yes, sir.
six. Have you
Yes, sir.
seen? This is. Please wait one moment, Mr. Venkatesh. See, Praveen, please note down that number 146. This is the request number.
Okay, sir.
And Mr. Venkatesh and rest of you all, look at the created date. Today's date, the created date and time of 146.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, one. What is that? What is the created date and time for 146?
5th August
Yeah, it's just now it happened.
1955.
It is done by Mr. Praveen only. This is the confirmation, the same document received by Mr. Venkatesh.
Can I go to next stage?
Yeah, please submit, sir. Yeah,
So,
you can preview the document submitted by Praveen. You can give your comments on it. All already one signature has came. The initiator initiated. So we designed in such a way that the in our legacy systems we used to have the same kind of signatures, right? And paper-based documents also will sign like that only. On the top of the first page, you get four signatures panel, right? The same way we have designed here, where
But in this document, so there is a prepared by sign is missing here.
that comes in that document. During execution, that preparation will be there.
Okay, okay,
That's the
okay.
part of template actually. In the SOP one, you can see all the signatures of four personal. Yeah, prepared by the person, the his department.
Yes, here it is coming.
Yeah, department name, user ID, date and time.
Time.
So
Here it is
whatever
coming.
Praveen submitted, all the details has came. So we will learn in the future classes or in our detailed sessions how that user ID is will be created. All these things we'll learn. Even there will be a coming couple of days. There will be a session to understand the software. What is the how Java role in this? What is the Angular role in this? What is the SQL systems? What are different builds of preparing the application? That backend software technology will be discussed in a couple of days. One expert is going to come from our backend team. He will give you the outlines. See what happens, let's take the example of Mr. Venkatesh. If he is purchasing an application from something like Caliber, he will give some requirements to Caliber. But whether the Caliber person is giving that only, can he verify? He should have some software knowledge, software background should be there. Those inputs you are going to get in the coming 2 days. One expert from our team is coming and he will outline you the regarding the software technology used while making the software applications. So you please proceed with the flow, sir. If any concern is there, please. SOB is
Reviewed.
reviewed, acceptable, whatever. You please submit. Now, Praveen will do the next step.
Okay.
Like
Sure,
that,
sir.
both of you can alternatively do.
Sure.
Hopefully, tomorrow we can start with the first deliverable. Simply, I'll show you the Word files, the prepared documents. Step by step, we'll go. We'll discuss together and we'll finish all the deliverables of a computer system evaluation. We'll plan for a detailed sessions further to give hands-on preparation also. Further, one more thing we are adding. Whoever the persons joined here for 6 days session will be a group together. Whoever there will be updates will be there wherever the requirements are there in the industry. RQB will search for the placement assistance for you all. So wherever there is a pharmacy experienced persons are required in the tech industry, we'll find those requirements and we'll post in the group. In the same way, all of you can also give your inputs. See, if you find anything, you can share it here. Some vacancies there with so and so experience. We'll work out here. We'll prepare for those interviews. We'll give the presentations and interview preparation. And our aim is to send the people who, as you are all interested to move to CSV. That's why we are all here now. So in that way, we are going to work together. That placement assistance will be for lifetime. If you people associate with us for some bigger sessions of about 3 4 months, we are planning. In that hands-on experience and live build experience, live project experiences will be there. So that is a basic question they'll ask in the interviews. Have you handled any of the? We'll give some experience certificate. We'll give some certifications that this person has completed associated with RQP and completed their live project on document management system. He completed the entire life cycle of computerized validation system and all. So in the same way, if any one of you wanted to become trainers, as this is a booming subject, if you are training, if you are any of the subjects, something like cleaning validation, process validation, good documentation practices, warning letters, data integrity, any of the subjects, the trainers are there. You can associate with the RQP training. You can mention there the topic on which you wanted to listen a training, you wanted to give a training. We'll make the all the rest with the infrastructure we are having in LinkedIn, WhatsApp, all mails, and we'll circulate the information to all the industry, and you can become a trainer happily here. So lots of planning is there. Hope you all let's have a happy association together.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah. I'm going through document management system, sir.
Yes, so now you are the QA reviewer.
Yes, sir.
Let's say one production person initiated and production HOD accepted the SOP requirement, and now it came to quality assurance department reviewer
Yes, sir.
as DMS. So these are all will come under your URS. In URS, one process flow will be there. You can prepare the process flow happily now, as you know the process. Please click on it. Now, yeah, what you have to do now, you have to search for your life cycle,
Yes, sir.
because we have made so many trials on it now. So multiple life cycles created. The first one is life cycle. Second one is your record request number.
Yes, sir. It's 146, no?
No, no, no. I'm saying
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
life cycle number, life cycle code is the third column there.
Double triple zero one.
Yeah, you
Here it
can
is.
you please write down over there. The one is life cycle. In your Word file,
Okay.
you copy it. Life cycle code you copy from here.
Third one, sir.
Life cycle code, the words, the
Yeah,
head.
got you.
Yeah, you copy
Uh,
there. Copy it. Yeah. Please paste on that Word file. The first one, 0001 is the life cycle code. Yes. And this is the request number. Okay, that is not required. This is the only one is there. So yes, this is the one. Please submit. Go to standard operating procedure. Menu bar options there.
yes, sir.
Uh, yeah, yeah. Please. So you got your pending record 146, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That's why I made you to paste over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please click on that radio button and submit it. And here, please scroll down. Yes. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yesterday we missed something and we'll do now. Scroll down. Yes. Select the here I told you in flow we will assign to the CFT users.
Okay. If required, safety team, we can.
Yeah, it is required. Yesterday we have not done now. So
Yes,
today
sir.
we'll trial for that. CFT
Moving for
user.
CFT.
Yeah, you have mentioned some comments. Moving for CFT. Yeah, some noise is there. Somebody I think can mute.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, please click on CFT user.
Yeah, okay, sir.
See here, engineering, quality control, and quality assurance. Three
Yes, sir.
department cross functionals are there. Which department do you want to select?
I want to select engineering department, sir.
Okay, please select it. Click on the checkbox. Tick the checkbox. So all this terminology you have to learn in CSV. This checkbox, radio button, submit button, main menu, sub menu. Should acquaint with all these things. Okay, submit it. Okay. Now again you submit the record. Now submit the record.
Yes, sir. I got the pop-up. Record approved
So
successfully.
now Mr. Venkatesh will do. Mr. Venkatesh, which login you have to open right now?
So CFT review.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
CFT review.
there you might not have noticed the login. No, that is the CFT of engineering is login ID 5 from the
Means
WhatsApp.
that is 224005.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. I am logged in that one only.
Excellent,
So
excellent,
I'm
excellent,
presenting my
sir.
screen.
But you forgot to present your screen.
Yes, yes, sir. I will present that one. Is it my screen is visible?
Yeah, yeah, sir. You please, Praveen, assist Venkatesh to what is the record number, what is the life cycle you have to select. You
Sure, sir. Sure.
ensure it. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Sometimes if you fall in
Venkatesh,
some
sir,
other way.
will you please clear that pop-up? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, the QALC 0001 is our uh, life cycle code, sir.
Yes, yes.
QALC
Yeah, this
0001.
one only. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, I'm going to standard operating procedure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
For
SOP,
cross-functional
cross-functional
reviewing.
reviewer pop-up it is coming.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So the SOP number is 146
Yes,
and the
sir.
life
This
cycle
is
number
this
is
is not this is not the SOP number. This is the request number.
Yes, sir.
okay, request number.
So we are tracking with the request number. As I'll show you the SOP number, sir. Submit it. Here you can see the SOP number, document number. SP1 under the document number. Little down, just against the yes. SP1 SOP 021. You can customize it as per the requirements. If some clients may request for some other design, we'll give you.
Okay, it is customized.
Customizable. So yeah, you are previewing it.
Yes, I am checking that signature
Yeah,
one,
sir.
two, three.
Yeah, sir. Please see, sir. Another signatures are increasing.
Yes, here it is prepared by, reviewed by.
Yeah.
So one is production
Prepared by is done by Praveen
production
and yourself is by review
and QA review.
and QA review also done by Praveen. And now cross functional you are completing. So
Yes,
cross function will not come. We have selected like that. As the main reviewers, some four signatures are critical. In our conventional system also we used to sign like that only, right? Please.
yes, yes. So I am not checking other formats. I am going. I
Yeah,
am submitting.
yeah, same thing will be there. You can mention your comments. CFT reviewed. See, in real time, they'll mention so many comments. So all the comments we can happily read over here. I think it's no such type of application is providing in the industry currently. You won't have that visibility of all the previous reviewers' comments in each and every screen. That too just at the stage of submitting to next reviewer. Please submit. Now Praveen will log in. With which login, Praveen?
QA approver, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So QA approver will check for all
Sir, may I share the
consolidated
screen?
reviewers. Yeah, please. Mr. Venkatesh, you stop presenting and Praveen will present.
Yes, sir.
The one more important thing in our schedule, that regulatory requirements, which is very key. Regulatory requirements. Why that made this computerized system validation is made so important these days. This is not an option. This is going to be a mandate these days as per the regulatory requirements. The main regulate authority requirements are guidances that are dictating terms to use this automated systems, and using the automated system with this much of critical documentation are the 21 CFR Part 11. All of these will be useful information. If you go through the detailed guidance, you'll come to understand. Because using what will prepare all these documents. EU Annex 11, WHO Annex 5, and the most popular GAMP 5. The 21 CFR Part 11 is for electronic records and signatures. It's by US FDA. EU Annex 11 is for computerized system. That's the title over there. WHO Annex 5, guidance for validation in WHO regulated regions. And GAM5, a risk-based approach and best practices, best automated system practices. We'll go a little detail. What 21 CFR Part 11 says. The full title you'll get as Title 21 of Code of Federal Regulations Part 11. It applicable to all electronic records and signatures used in FDA regulated industries. Whatever it is, drugs, biologics, devices. If the flow is moving, this is by the Praveen right now, right? Praveen Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am
Yes,
here.
yes.
I am just listening to your topics. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
May
you're
I start?
into DMS.
Yes,
DMS.
sir. Yeah, yeah.
So this is a QA approver. After QA approver, who has to handle it?
Training
Document.
coordinator.
Sorry,
Training
sorry.
coordinator.
Training coordinator.
After that, DMS manager. Please move with the flow. After DMS manager, the critical steps will come. We'll revise the document today. Without any explanations, with a quick session, we'll revise the document. I'll allow you only Praveen or someone will do it. Submit, 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 submit. I'll show you the differences, the timestamps, and the date and time, whatever comes here. We'll discuss on this. Tomorrow onwards, we'll go with the deliverable number one. So today we are completing the acquaintance with the system, the flow of this SOP generation, and basics of computer system validation. Mostly, if time permits, today we'll discuss about the interview questions in the tech industry, and what is the role of a pharma person who joined as a CSV engineer in a software company, what he has to do, what will be the expectations there. Accordingly, we can improve ourselves. We can learn the new things.
Sir,
And
I have selected the
yeah,
sorry.
please.
I have selected the lifecycle code and I have submitted it. And now I came for the final submission, sir.
Yeah, sir. Please proceed. So in the group, our RQP team will post you the future updates. Something like what we are going to give your suggestions and feedback. Something like as anyhow we all people have came together. We are something like we are giving end-to-end services from RQP. See, right from greenfield projects to software qualifications, document supports, and this computerized system validations, even software development. As we have, this is our own application, no? Even into the trainings, end-to-end services of a pharma industry, we can say, even something like Excel sheet validation. So we are providing all these services. If you personally want to be freelance into our organization, if you personally give more suggestions into the regarding the placements into the CSV, if together we are going to design our trainings in such a way to get more jobs in pharma industry, sorry, in tech industry, in or in the pharma industry. The priority is into the tech industry as we are mostly into it. So wherever you wanted, even the marketing of our product, see it became a mandate, no? Sometimes many of the industry look for to find applications like this to purchase. So we can get benefits. All these things you can give your suggestions in our group. We'll discuss. I'll post the updates on that. Team is working on it. We will get those updates also. So as we are discussing about the 21 CFR Part 11, the key expectations. What 21 CFR Part 11 says: system must ensure the data authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality. How this comes? Authenticity means right now, Mr. Venkatesh and Praveen only logging in. We can authentically say when it is a role based access is there. If anyone is accessing it means that is not at all a authentic system. Integrity will be there. Confidentiality will be there. In paper based documentation, we know what happens. The regulator can't trust us. The confidentiality, the double door system that is called as e-sign method. Use of secure computer generated audit trails. Actually, during return, we'll see the audit trails also. Electronic signatures, validation, a mandatory validation process should be there. Sometimes things like deletion of chromatograms without audit trail, आराम से delete कर दिया तो what happens? If that system is validated, is the deletion method is it's not showing in the audit trail means the person will happily delete it. That kind of requirements mentioned in 21 CFR Part 11, those that requirement must and should be, there should be an audit trail, there should be, yeah, all the modifications what we do in the system should be audit trail. And EU Annex 11, it says computerized system must be validated for intended purpose, clear roles and responsibilities. Systems must have audit trails, risk management. See, there are on the whole common sentences will be there, common guidance will be there. All these directly supports the usage of electronic documentation. So we have so many role compactors in our industry, right? Every quality year, the space is increasing, the budgets are increasing. दूसरा लाओ, दूसरा एक बड़ा सा कॉम्पैक्टर लाओ नेक्स्ट ईयर। एक साल हो गया। What in the upcoming year you should expand the place and you should install another roll compactor. Sorry, not roll compactor. I just filled out. Document compactor systems are maintained. The documentation increases. Every quality of the documentation increases. See, the complete electronic documentation is going to replace it in the coming years. Even Schedule M is also mandating. The Indian regulator is also specifically mentioning it has already given a timeline of 31st December 2025 is the timeline for all the small scale industry also. So this is the draft stage only. If any mandate comes, suddenly the huge penalties will be imposed. The World Health Organization or WHO includes the planning, installation qualification, operational qualification, performance qualification, documentation, change controls, revalidation, all the requirements mentioned. And the most famous GAMP file. It stresses on the risk-based approach. In our deliverables, the risk-based approach will also come. Wherever there is a technology breach is there or data breach is there, how the risk should be mitigated, all these steps should be considered. It has clearly tells you the V model what we have discussed yesterday.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir, here you briefly explain about GAMP 1, 2, or GAMP 4, 5 also, sir.
yeah.
It
Please.
will,
Yeah. Okay, you're asking, na?
sir,
You're asking.
I am asking, sir.
Now I
GAMP
got
1,
it. I
GAMP
got
2.
it. Yeah, exactly. I'm about to start the same. You asked me actually. Yeah, surely. Yeah, where we are as for the application, once it moves forward, I'll move with that.
Sir, at QA review completion and moving for training teams. QA approval.
Yeah, this is okay. Review completed by the approver.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please submit into this and open the training coordinator ID. I'll Yeah, we have the categories. So Venktesh, the category one, category three, category four, category five. Why I'm skipping category two?
That
Category is absoluted, sir.
can I explain, sir?
Some disturbance is there. Category one, three, four, five. This is the way it is classified in gap five. Yeah. The category two was there. Initially it was there in gap four also you can see. First let me clarify that why that category two is removed. Actually, it is semi-customizable applications were included earlier into the category two, but nowadays, see, uh, customizable has become the technology has developed these days. So mostly you are getting all the customizable applications. See, earlier what happens? Semi-configurable systems. But as the technology is advanced, most software now fall under the either standard systems or configured software. This semi-configuration is not there. So, in as per the earlier configuration, all the semi-configured applications, off-shelf applications, off-shelf softwares are placed into that category 2. So again, this category 2 and category 3 and 4 will become same. Sorry, category 4 and 5 and category 2 will be the same. So to get rid of this confusion, in category 5 it is revised as category 2 has made obsolete. So just let's forget about that category 2, as that is a semi configured softwares which were there right now, standard and configured only there. In category 5 that will become more advanced. If we personally develop some application, if any organization is customly developing a software, that will be highly advanced and it needs more detailed documentation of validation. Okay, category 5 is an infrastructure softwares will come. Simply whatever right now you are using in your systems, the simply our OS, the operating system, database, Windows, Oracle, all these things will come under category 1. Tell me friends, if this kind of infrastructure softwares we are validating it, are you making IQ, OQ, PQ for this? Is it required? Anybody doing in your systems? Simply purchasing and opening and using it, right? So that is an infrastructure software. It comes under category 1. With each and every category, we can understand the criticality and documentation requirements. So category 1 does not have much, does not have the validation requirements. Let's see category 2. Sorry, category 2 I am saying again. Category 3. Standard softwares. Excel. Tools like Excel, basic utilities, whatever you use, including this Google Meet, MS Word or XYZ, all these things. Of course. So a little validation method is we are using a lifetime. You are working in quality control department. They use validated Excels, and they know the simple methodology of taking some 3 Excel sheets and validating, giving the formula whether the same formula is working or not, documenting it, and whether it is passing for each of the calculation, whether the server in which it is placed is a validated server or not. These things, simple validation requirement is there. The most important one has came into the picture now, category 4 and category 5. Under category 4, configured software will come. And category 5, custom developed softwares will come. See, configured software means we are using LIMS, SAP, TrackWise, QMS systems, including the application we are handling right now. All of this comes under category 4. If you are doing more configuration, is directly available in the market and is highly configured, and the same way what are the requirements we mentioned, accordingly they'll configure and provide the branded systems. They are all comes under category 4. And these are the custom developed software is category 5. In-house built applications. So the example what I have given you is LIMS, the most popular ones. LIMS, SAP, TrackWise, and QMS systems. Obra, I cleared the requirement, I think, Mr. Venkatesh. Yeah. What's
Also, it
going
is
on with the? Yeah, please.
in GAM 3 also, GAM 4 also it is coming limbs and trackwise. So and GAM
Yes.
5 also it is coming limbs and trackwise.
Actually, GAMP 5 is more configurable. Something like if we have one organization and we have developed an application and it is highly customizable. So we have as the category is increasing, the in GAMP what they have given is that the category is increasing. The categorization is done for to understand the validation deliverable criticality validation requirements, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes,
So,
exactly.
if in five, you should be more careful with the with respect to the documentation you're delivering. So four and
Okay,
five
okay,
falls into the same category as per the guidance. Category four and five possess the same kind of documentation to validate.
Sir, may I clear this GAM4 and GAM5
Yeah,
difference, sir?
please, please, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, Venkatesh, sir, as you are aware of this PASEX application, right? MES PASEX.
yes, yes, yes.
It means you can monitor other candidate working from your PC. It means you have that application and you have login through your credentials, and you can check whether what is activity going in for a particular batch. For example, we can say any EBMR you have opened and the batch what is running in particular area, and you can able to monitor what is the activity going at that moment. It means even you are also able to start or stop the activity, but you can able to monitor other personal operations. MES PASEX
Okay,
application will comes under GAM5.
okay,
It means from anywhere you can able to monitor the activity going at that particular moment. Sir, am I right, sir?
okay. It is some.
Sir, Praveen, sir, am I right?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I didn't get you in clear. There is a some disturbances there.
Yes, sir.
Let
Sir, sir
me.
actually, what I'm
Yeah,
saying,
yeah. Please.
in GAM5 category,
Hmm.
I have included an automation tool like MES PASEX. It means we can able to monitor any activity going at that particular time, and we can able to monitor that activity from anywhere. Like I can able to sit in my own house and in my bedroom, and I can open my PC. If I log in through my login credentials, if I open that EBMR activity going in my organization, and from my house itself I can able to monitor the activity going at that time. I don't need to go to my organization, or else I don't need to go into that particular area to monitor that operation.
Let me interrupt you.
Can I interrupt you, sir?
Yeah,
Can I clarify GAM 4 and
yeah.
GAM 5, sir?
Please, please. I'll summarize. Once you
Uh,
all please give your
yes,
inputs,
yes,
I'll summarize final.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
please.
GAM 4 means market available software like LIMS, some trackway, something
Okay,
you can directly purchase from the vendor and you will install in your company is the GAM 4. That is configured only. You
okay,
can monitor from house or office, anything, it will be monitored.
okay.
Coming to GAM5,
Uh,
you add some change in the that particular market available software track. You
okay.
can add some customized thing for your organization. You can change. You can add some more steps. You can add some more privileges. You can add something that available software in the market. You can add something, and based on
okay,
your
you
organization
are very
requirements, you
close,
can change.
Mr. Suri.
Yes.
You are very clear and close. I want to
Uh,
ask you one question to make
yes.
it more clear to all of you. In GAM
Yes. Yes.
5, what you are saying is customizing the GAM 4, something like that you are saying,
Yes,
right?
yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
And
Uh,
one more thing, some
uh,
new software also developed for our company
yes,
that is not available at market. That is
yes,
also fall under Camp5.
yes. Mostly when you are taking a ready-made application from other branded organization, you won't customize it much. So that mostly not, doesn't fall.
Yes.
Do you agree with me, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But whatever you said is GAMP 4 and 5 are customizable applications. GAMP 4 is readily available. It is highly structured. It is having a fixed documentation is there. But for GAMP 5, simply a risk-based approach will increase because you are modifying it based on your risk assessment. Your deliverables will increase a little, not much difference.
Uh,
Hopefully, I'm right.
I think GAM4 and GAM5 there is no variation in
Yes,
the documentation part, sir.
yes, 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 yes,
Validation
absolutely.
deliverables are both are same for GAM4 and GAM5.
Yeah, absolutely right. Absolutely right. A risk-based approach will be there based on your risk study. If it demands any additional documentation, you have to prepare for GAM5 as you are configuring it personally.
Yes, yes.
Yes, that's the only difference. I'm hopefully
Yes,
I'm clear right now.
yes, sir. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, same core deliverables, URS, IQ, OQ, traceability matrix, everything remain same. So yeah, where we are with respect to application.
Sir,
It's a very important discussion. This question will come to you when you go to the interview.
sir, just now QA approval got completed and SOP got moved to training team, sir. And now I log in through training coordinator login credentials.
Yeah, you are into the
Yes,
training coordinator. Yeah, training
yes, sir.
coordinator.
Yes, sir. Sir, the life cycle code is QLC 0001.
Yeah.
Sir, now I am under final moving to document management system manager.
Yeah, please submit.
Yeah. Now I can comment like training found satisfactory.
Yeah, yeah, please.
There a small question here.
Yeah,
I have the option to add comments also to submit and along with return. So if I return this document at this step, so to what level it will go, sir? It means level in the sense to first step or else to just to the previous QA approval step.
not to the previous. It will go to the first step.
Okay, it means to initiator one, like who initiated the
To
document.
the initiator only, we give another role that is called known as update.
Yes,
It,
sir,
it
okay.
will directly
Upwards,
it will
one type of
directly
upwards.
route back to update.
Okay, okay. Sure.
If you send it back, it will simply go to the training coordinator. If it is one step back,
Okay.
so he
And
can't
here
give
it will go to one step back or else to initiator, sir,
to
at
the
this application.
to the initiator. To the initiator.
Okay.
Actually, it's not exactly to the initiator. We have a separate role known as update. It will goes there.
Yes, sir. SOP update option is there. It means one login
Yes,
credential is
yes.
there.
So far, we have not used it. Submit.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, may I go for the final login credential, sir?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, I'm recollecting something else. The under GAM5 also readily available in market applications only there, but they are more customizable.
Sir, as per Suri sir
As the
comments,
as the
uh,
customizability and configuration is increasing, the documentation standard also increasing.
sir, a small question from me.
Yeah.
As Suri sir mentioned, we can able to update that application that comes under GAM5. Can we able to validate from our internally, sir, or else we need to take support from the vendor?
No, no. Actually, any kind of qualification, any kind of validation,
Yes,
vendor support will be there to certain extent.
yes, yes,
Something,
yes.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, something like the design aspects, uh, all those things, the vendor support will be there. But you are the one taking that application. You are the one. You will be the owner of the application. You are the owner of that machine. So it is you will be the whole and sole responsibility that is saying and claiming that that is a validated system. So we can he will validate. Okay, some service providers like RQP, they'll validate on behalf of you, but the role will be defined and ensuring will be defined. All those aspects we'll explain. That's a little big topic.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. From for new softwares, vendor support is mostly required. Why? Because that software is don't know about how to handle like that. Vendor support is required for initial qualification time. I think,
Absolutely,
sir.
sir. Not only for software application. If we are taking a machine, something like a compression
Yes,
machine,
anything
anything,
also.
the vendor
Uh,
support is
if
absolutely
that is
required.
known equipment or known software means not
Yes,
required. If that is
yes,
new to us, that vendor support, without vendor support, we will not complete that
yes,
qualification or
yes,
anything. Yes, sir.
yes.
Sorry for adding, interrupting, Suri sir. As I am into
Tell me.
equipment qualification,
Yes,
really a vendor need to require up to PQ, sir. Because na, based on many reasons like cost factor and they want some new update or else they want the old software. Based on all these things, na. Recently, sir, I like to share one experience. I have
Please.
yes,
I have qualified a, fluid bed dryer, sir, make of Ganson. What the
Mhm.
issue I faced here now? Already the vendor is saying like this is very backdated version. If you go for this equipment qualification with the this software, definitely you will face some issues. Uh, our superlative accepted like ignored his comments and we went for the qualification. During performance qualification also we didn't receive any complaints, sir. When we released that equipment for the commercial usage now, from the second batch itself we are facing the software issues, sir. uh,
Okay.
and we are facing comments from the production team also like I don't know on what basis this qualification team got qualified this equipment and we are facing the complaints. uh, so we can say like the toughest software and easy software no, Suri sir. Based upon
yes,
the updated softwares you are allowing to
Yeah.
qualify with your
So
equipment. Also vendor need and everything will be
yes, 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 yes.
yes
Exactly.
sir. Yes sir.
exactly. Uh, See what happens. They know the compatibility sometimes. Actually, you must have find that in the longer is the PQ, longer your all issues will be solved. That's a basic thing actually. Generally, I personally suggest if let's take this example of this SOB generation. I always suggest to let your conventional system be there, even though you're taking an application. Parallel, you run that. Let that be the PQ. If you for 3 months, 6 months, if you run like that, that all the issues will be cleared, and with the success after completion of successful performance qualification, it will be a go live. So in the same pattern, you might have performed over there, so issue won't come in the real time.
Yes, sir.
You will be
Nowadays
having
we are following like that only. If software PQ completed also, parallelly we are running manual and software both
yes,
around six
absolutely.
months or three
That's a,
months. During that time, any abnormalities identified that will be
exactly,
rectified.
exactly. Excellent, sir. Okay, we'll continue with the flow.
Yes, sir. We are at the final stage, sir. And now SOP is under Document Management System Manager approval. Sir, what type of comments from DMS manager will rise, sir?
Something like the SOP made effective,
Okay,
approved. Simply write down as approved. Sorry, approved. Okay, so please submit it.
sir, may I go through this completed
No, no,
record?
no, no, no. You please go to home. So
Okay,
now that yeah, a submission completed. So now go to the DMS SOP. What is the life cycle? Yes.
UNC triple zero
Yeah,
one.
please submit. Actually, simply going back is enough. I ask you to click on home. That's why we are repeating the steps.
Okay, sir. May I submit, sir?
Please. Yeah, standard operating procedure, DMS manager. So there is no record in the pending records as you have already submitted.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
please go to the master documents. You made a document, mastered the document. What is the SOP number? Anyone noted down? Something like 1921 we have seen. Please go down. Scroll down. With the date and time, we'll identify it. Go to the next page. Some, can someone close that window? Some Province only, no? That
Which one, sir?
okay.
So
You go to the end. Go to the end. Next, next,
Okay.
next. At least that yeah. Request number 146.
Yes, sir.
146. 21 is our SOP number, right?
Yes, sir.
Please preview it. Preview. On no, no, not the annexer. If you see the SOP, you'll get all the stamping.
Actually, I didn't intentionally tap, sir. It got.
That is okay. So, is there any issue in your PC in opening the PDF files or something?
No, nothing, sir. Nothing. Wait, I'll log in again, sir.
Yeah, please. Oh, there is a heavy rain, seems, Mr. Suri, in Hyderabad. It's still
Yes, sir.
raining.
Yes.
Is that still raining?
Now stopped, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can anyone try, sir? I don't know. I am receiving continuous error.
You're getting error.
Yes, sir.
Unable to submit here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will log out once and ask Venkatesh sir to.
Otherwise, we'll ask Mr. Venkatesh to
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah,
handle it.
we can, sir.
Okay,
You may start
okay, okay,
presenting.
Praveen. You can stop your screen. I will present.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah, Mr.
Uh,
Karthik is saying some JD should be defined. What exactly is that?
Praveen, it is DMS manager, na ID.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. DMS manager 10 224010.
Yeah, 1010 will be there, na? User 10. The last two digits I'm saying. Yeah, Mr. Karthik. Karthik Rangaraju. JD should be defined. You must be asking for that tech industry JD. So surely we'll discuss on that.
Sir, I think there is some error
Yeah,
with the
yeah, yeah.
Some
application.
error it
See,
is showing. I think, sir. Failure
yeah,
response.
yeah, yeah. Sure. Some backend updation must be going on.
Okay.
Actually, we identified some in different application we are working, and some software branch updation is there. Those things we'll discuss in the couple of days. Not tomorrow, mostly day after tomorrow. One software expert will take the class for at least 1 hour. He'll give different builds and what is database, what is backend, what is front end, how the data moves, how the data picks from the database. All these subjects will be taken up. If you wait for 2 minutes, you can log in. Actually, some backend is going on.
Sir,
Okay.
are you able to provide documents from I can from URS to VSR, sir? Is
Uh,
it possible?
mostly, I'm planning to share. I'm going to present the same thing. I'll share.
Okay, sir.
I'll just customize it. I'll share you. End of the 6 days or something like in between, or I'll share you.
Yes.
Sharing a simple template is not at all a big issue. What are the document on which we are learning? I'll share the same document. With different documents available with today's technology in the internet, but we are going to learn on it now. So as of today, there is a lot of productive discussions went on. In the same way, there will be a lot of updation in our documentation. Same document you will get. And so, yeah, once again you try, sir. If any issues there, I'll.
Okay, okay, sir. Now it's working. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. You have to go through standard operating procedures. Yes, yes. SOP. Yes. Here, master documents. Sir told us like last page. Yes, that one.
Here it is coming, no date and stamp and all.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sorry, I have actually I'm talking. It's not unmute. Please scroll down, sir. Since long I am talking. Yeah, you are having an approved by signature in each and every page. That was I'm telling actually. Please close this, sir. I'll tell you something. Another thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can come out.
Uh, this is the. Just go to the index. The next the button next to the preview is the index. And the SOP. We'll see the SOP index only. Yes. See, manually we are not required to prepare an SOP index, right? If it automatically generates. Any any document downloaded into your system?
Yeah, my
Yeah,
screen
please.
is visible.
Your screen is visible, but the document downloaded document is not visible.
It means you
So
shared only your.
Yeah, you
Uh,
please share the entire screen.
yes, sir. So that's why. Uh,
Yes. Can
now
you
it
please
is visible.
show me the SOP number 21?
sir, it is not visible to us, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Okay, sir. Yeah.
SOP number 21 is there. So it's coming in the
Three.
sequential order. So
It is
this is the yeah, sir, please. Myself is also Praveen, that's why. Uh, Please close it, sir. Close this window.
No, sir. He's talking actually. I think some glitch is there at his network.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Venkatesh.
No, that
So,
SOP number is serial number 3.
Yeah, sir. Based upon the SOP serial number, it got fixed at number 3.
In chronological order, it comes.
Yes, 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 sir. Chronological order. Praveen sir, you are not audible.
yeah, please.
Venkat sir, Praveen sir asking you to close the screen. This one.
No. Actually, the 21 is not appearing here
Where sir?
in the list. Okay. Anyway, we'll
Okay, sir.
continue. We'll continue it. We'll continue it tomorrow. From the same this master index stage onwards, we'll continue tomorrow. Mostly the system acquaintance is completed. So we'll start with the document that, as I told you, I will detail little tomorrow regarding the interview questions in the tech industry for CSV, and the job responsibilities of a CSV engineer. We'll define all these things, and we'll start with our actual qualification deliverables one by one. The GAM 4 or 5, both are similar now. So we'll end up the session, today's session here. Please provide all your suggestions in our WhatsApp group. I'll share the required information in the WhatsApp group today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for attending and your patience.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you
all.
to all.
On the day.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Uh,
Good night.
Hello.
Yeah, Venkatesh sir.
Yeah, sir,
Yeah,
please.
Praveen sir, is there a group also very small? So, is there any possible tomorrow or anything? Let me introduce one by one itself. Also, we came to know. So, is there that connectivity
Yeah,
also?
sure.
Is it?
Yeah, you're saying the self introductions of each of the individual or
Yes,
in here.
yes.
Yeah, definitely that will be there. Otherwise, today only you can briefly message. What's the basic details I want from each of you? What exactly the mother tongue is? If most of the people from Telugu is there, we can discuss a little more things while explaining us something. So
Sir, Venkatesh sir.
I want the mother tongues. I want,
Sir, sorry for the interruption. Venkat
yeah.
sir, hope such introductions will not affect our present department and roles.
I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Anyway, the introduction requirements are the mother tongue, the organization you are working for, and your area of work, and of course your name and the place you are from. These basic details tomorrow we'll have in our session. Thank you so much for attending. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, and good night,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Good day.
Thanks. Good night.